Hey everyone, it's Bordeaux Rose here. I'm back at you with another review, but this time it's not beauty, it's not makeup. Well, it's beauty, but it's a necessity beauty, and it's not makeup, okay? Listen, I have to tell you guys, one day I was sitting at lunch. It's a tiny story, just hear me out, okay? One day I was sitting at lunch with one of my contractors, and I was talking to him, and I don't know how we got on the subject of bras, but we got on the subject of bras, and he recommended to me Third Love. He says that he bought a couple bras for his wife, and she says they're the best bras that, you know, she's ever had ever. So I was like, this Third Love, tell me more, because the girls would be struggling, okay? So anyway, I went right online, I checked them out. They are a bit pricey. I think I paid 68 bucks for the bra that I'm wearing right now, plus tax and all that good stuff, and I believe delivery. So it's probably like 70 something dollars at the end of it, maybe 80. But let me tell you, if you are a large breasted woman as myself, okay, I am a 30, well, let me say this, I am normally a 34H, okay? Sometimes, depending on the cut of the bra, I could do a 36G, but when I could do a 36G, I get cut off here, and right here is kind of like right here doesn't sit in the middle of my chest like it should. And we're gonna talk a little bit about how your bra should fit, okay? Ooh. All right, so your bra is supposed to fit like this. Oh, and if you're wondering, these are 100% natural, just in case you were wondering. Now, the way your bra is supposed to fit, I'm gonna kind of try to show you. Maybe I have to get up, but I'll sit. Hopefully you can hear me. The way your bra is supposed to fit is it's supposed to fit flush in between your breasts here, for the most part, okay? Nowadays, you know, bras, they don't really fit as well, but for the most part it should sit flush in the middle, and that boning should stop right here, okay, past all of your breast meat. So your breast meat should be inside the cup of the bra, okay? Let's get that out of the way. As far as the back of the bra is concerned, your bra should come down about here in your back. It should not be all the way up here. It should not be tugging or anything. Your bra should fit just like that. Your straps should fit nice and comfortable here. I always say with a little finger room here to adjust, not too tight, to the point where they're digging into your shoulder. Okay, so now that we got the fitted of the bra, let's review the bra, okay? Let's talk about purchasing. To me, you cannot get a perfect fit online, okay? You cannot try to figure out your bra size online. In my opinion, I suggest getting fitted somewhere else physically before you actually go and buy a bra online, okay? I don't care what they say, I don't think it's possible. Sorry. But what I did do is I know my, for the most part, size. So I was looking and I said, okay, let me get 34H because I know that is my size for the most part, right? In most good bras. I cannot buy cheap bras because my natural boobs are too large to buy cheap bras. So I have to buy really expensive bras that are at least 60 bucks a piece, all right? I used to wear Wake Hold bras, but the store that I used to go to, they closed down and they sell them online. And to be honest, Wake Hold bras all look the same. It's like they never really change anything about them, but whatever. All right, anywho, so I ordered this bra. I went on, I selected this one with the pleated straps. What I loved about this, I'm gonna go online and find the name of it for you. But what I loved about this bra is that it did have this cute kind of decorative pleated strap. If you have large natural breasts, you know that our bras look like nursing bras, okay? The strap be thick and it's like, what's up with that? You know what I mean? We want cute bras too, you know? Hold on, I wanna find the name of this bra. But as we're talking, so I really was attracted to the fact that the straps were not so large. It was still cute. I could still wear a little strappy outfit with it and be cute. Okay, so that's the first thing that sold me. Okay, the name of this bra is the 24/7 Classic T-shirt bra. Okay, and it's in the color mocha. You see the color? It's in the color mocha, and I have size 34H. All right, now I ordered this. It came within a week. I didn't have like too much of a wait time or anything. They delivered it. The UPS guy sucks. Whoever delivered it, they delivered it on my thing, and my dog almost ate the damn bra. But anyway, but I got the bra, and I immediately tried this bra on. When I tell you, I felt like the gates of heaven opened when I put this bra on, honey. I mean, look at how they're sitting, honey. Just perfect. Okay, come on, like, come on, sis. Like, how could you not be in love with this fit? Okay, but anyway, so I was so excited when I put it on. The only thing I would say is their bands, like, I guess I thought I was 34, but maybe I can even go a 32 if I really wanted to, because I have this bra on the last strap and I still have room here. So I could do a 32. As you can see, I have it on the last strap. Hold on. And so I could probably do a 32, okay? Because then it allowed me to lose some weight. It'll motivate me to lose a few pounds, all right? But anyway, yeah, so the sides of the bra is not too thin. It's very supportive here. You know, it's very supportive. The sides of the bra, really nice and supportive. I love the boning. It's not uncomfortable. It just feels so nice. I'm very satisfied with this bra. I will be going online purchasing more, but I just really wanted to come on and talk to you guys and let you guys know that Third Love is great. I just suggest you get your sizing, you know, physically by somebody else first, and then go online and order a bra. You will be wasting a lot of money if you don't do that. $68 for a bra is a lot of money to be guessing your size. Like, nobody has time to be shipping back and blah 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 blah. Nobody has time for that. But anyway, I think that's my review. The material feels good. There's no padding in this bra at all. No padding at all, just straight bra. Support is nice. I washed it one time already so far, and the structure of the cup of the bra is nice still, and I love how it gives you that round effect. It's not like pointy, and it's seamless, and I love that. But anyway, I just want to come on and tell you, yes, Third Love is worth a try. I will be getting back on and ordering more. I need a black one, and I need to check out and see what other bras that they have. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Positive vibes. I don't know why I'm whispering today, but positive vibes. Give me that like, subscribe.